Let's learn algebra. Let's start from the basics. So in all primary school and all we started with learning 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 etc. Now when it comes to algebra I can say 5x plus 3, okay, or I can say 6x, or I can say 10x or 10y, or I can say any characters, any letters. Okay, so when we add letters to a mathematical equation it becomes algebra. Why do we add it? If we don't know certain things we call it as a call it with an alphabet and we try to do some manipulation and we try to find the values. Now if I say something like 5x plus 3, x is nothing but called a variable. Okay, x is a variable and this 5 is called coefficient of that variable. Okay, and this whole 5x plus 3 is called expression. Okay, these are some three things what you have to learn. And if you say 5x plus 3, each one of this is called a term. Okay, and if I have something like 5x plus 2x plus 3y plus 4y, if you see these are two x terms, so this is called like terms, and this is another pair of like terms. And when you are doing algebraic manipulation you can add or subtract like terms. So in this case this will become 5x plus 2x will become 7x plus 7y. Okay, let me show you some more example of that. 3x plus 4 plus 5x plus 7. Which are the like terms here? The like terms are this one. So what you need to do, 3x plus 5x is equal to 8x, then 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. So we add only the like terms. Okay, otherwise we don't add it. Another question here, 2ab plus 4 plus 3ab plus 2. This is the same thing. Those are like terms. So the answer will be 5ab plus these are constants. So you add it together, you get 6. Another question, 6a plus b plus 3 plus 2a plus 4b. Now the like terms are 6a and 2a, so that will be 8a, and then you have b and 4b. So simply if you write b, it is nothing but 1b. So b and 4b will be 1b plus 4b, which will be 5b, and then you have a constant which is 3. So that's the answer. Okay, again another one, 5a plus 2b minus 2a minus 2b. That will be equal to 5a minus 2a will be 3a and 2b minus 2b will be 0. So this is nothing but 3a. Okay. Now going on to some difficult questions. So 3x square plus 2y plus 4y square plus 3y plus 5x square. So in this case, how will you find the like terms? 3x square and 5x square are the like terms. So x square and x, y square and y both are different. Okay. So 3x square plus 5x square is 8x square. Then you have 2y and 3y as the like terms. So it will be 5y plus 4y square. Okay, so this is why we simplify uh, terms. Now you can have some questions here like saying that if this is a rectangle and this side is x plus 3 and this side is 5x plus 4, find the perimeter. How will you find the perimeter? Perimeter means adding all the sides together. So if this side is 5x plus 4, this will also be 5x plus 4 and this will be x plus 3. So adding all the sides means 5x plus 4 plus x plus 3 plus 5x plus 4 plus x plus 3. Then you add all the like times together, this and this. So 5 plus 5, 10, 11, 12. So 12x, 14. Okay, just as simple as that. Now, there can be brackets in algebra. For example, if I write 5x, okay, it's nothing but 5 times x. So bracket can mean multiplication. If I say x times 3x, that means that x times 3x. Okay, so brackets will mean multiplication in this. Now the brackets what we are going to learn now is 3 times x plus 2. So there is a number here and then there is a bracket here. So in this case, how you should multiply is you should multiply 3 times x, which will be 3x first, then you multiply 3 times 2, which will be 6. Okay, so you have to multiply with both the cases. I'll show you one more thing. X plus 5, you multiply 4 times x, which is 4x, then 4 times 5, which will be 20. 2 times x plus 6, multiply this, 2x plus 2 times 6, which will be 12. Minus 2 times x plus 3, minus 2 times x minus 2x, minus 2 times 3 is minus 6. Minus 6 times minus 3 plus a, it's 18 minus 6a. Now you need to learn some multiplication here. If you have x times x, that is equal to x square. You have x square times x, it will become x cube. X square times x square equal to x to the power of 4. So if you can see that, you just add these two integers and you get the answer. So you can do any high amount of numbers, like x to the power of 5 to the x to the power of 5 will be x to the power of 10. So add 5 times 5. Okay. Now when we bring that to the brackets, 3 times x square plus 3x plus 5, or maybe I will just put this as x. Let me take a small one, x times x square plus 2. So the multiplication will be x times x square plus x times 2. X times x square is x cube plus 2x. Another one, 2x times x cube plus 3. Multiply this. So 2x times x cube plus 2x times 3, that's equal to 2x to the power of 4 plus 6x. Okay. Now the next topic is multiplying two expressions, which means there will be some two expressions like this, x plus 5 times x plus 3. Okay, there are two methods here. I'll explain both the methods. The first method is you take the second term and write it two times, just little far from each other. Then you take the first one and write it here, and then you take the second term, that is like plus 5, and you write it here. Okay, now you know how to multiply this from the previous one. So that is x square plus 3x plus 5x plus 15, that is equal to x square plus 8x plus 15. Let me show you one more. X plus 2 times x plus 5. Okay, so what you do first, you write the second one twice here. Okay, and then take the first term, write it here, then take the second term including the sign, that is plus 2, write it here, and then simplify. So it is x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 10, that's equal to x square plus 7x plus 10. This is the first method. The second method is, if you need to do x plus 2 times x plus 5, you draw a box. This is called box method, and you write this one here. Okay, so what you will do, you will write x plus 2, and then here you write x plus 5. Then it is a normal multiplication, so you multiply these two and write it here. So it is like x square, and this will become 5x, and this will become 2x, this will become 10. So you multiply each one and then write it in the corresponding column, and then add it together, x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 10, that's equal to x square plus 7x plus 10. You can use any method, both are equally good. Okay, so let me take another question. 2x plus 3 times x square plus 3x plus 4. So let me first try it in the first method. So it is like x square plus 3x plus 4. I am going to write it twice, and I write 2x here, then plus 3 here, and that will be 2x cube plus 2 into 2, 6x square plus 8x plus 3x square plus 9x plus 12, which is equal to 2x cube plus 9x square plus 17x plus 12. Okay, the same thing you can do in box method. So in this case, when you are drawing a box, since there are three terms, you need to have 2 and 3. Okay, shouldn't have this, so it should be like this. Okay, now this will be 2x plus 3, and this is x square plus 3x plus 4. So if there is a negative sign, you have to include the negative sign also. Now this will be 2x cube plus 3 into 2, 6 x square plus 8x plus 3x square plus 9x plus 12. Then you add everything together, so it is 2x cube plus 6x square plus 8x plus 3x square plus 9x plus 12. That is equal to 2x cube plus 9x square plus 17x plus 12. So you can see there are two methods, whichever method you are using, you should be able to get the answer. Okay, I'll show you one more. No, sorry, we need to learn some more questions. So if you have something like 5 times 3x minus 2 plus 2 times x minus 1. So you have multiple equations. So what you will do, first simplify this, which will be 15x minus 10 plus 2x minus 2, that is equal to 17x minus 12. Okay, another question, you have 2 into x square plus 2x plus 3 plus 1 times x square minus 3x minus 5. So if that's the case, it will be 2x square plus 4x plus 6 plus x square minus 3x minus 5, which is equal to 3x square plus 1x plus 1. And to simplify with the other method, 5x plus 1 times 2x plus 2. So which will be, you write the second one twice and then write 5x plus 1, which is equal to 10x square plus 10x plus 2x plus 2, which is equal to 10x square plus 12x plus 2.